In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram Explorer page. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and then tap here at the search icon to get to your Explorer page, and I see there some content that I don't like to see here anymore. Maybe I lost interest to that kind of content, or maybe whatever else. So let me show you how to reset this feed content that Instagram offers to me. For example, if I don't want to see that kind of content, I just tap on that three dots icon, and here I tap on not interested right there. So this post has been hidden, and Instagram will show fewer posts like this from now. So we just mark that specific type of content as not interested to us, and if always do the same for the any content that you don't like, the Instagram will get much more information with any time you do that, what type of content you don't like, and then will show you more interesting content for you. So that's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.